In this tutorial, you'll take a look at a CSS technique that's a little tricky to understand at first, but well worth your time. This particular concept is referred to as a contextual, or in Dreamweaver, a compound selector. Let's try to break down exactly what this means. You want to open the events.html document. Here we have a list under the heading Spring Events. And in that list there are 4 items. Here you're going to create a style so that anything which is bolded will also become green within this list. This is how you can accomplish this. Your first step is to select the first word free in the first list item. In your property inspector, make sure that the HTML tab is selected. Then go ahead and click on the bold tag. It's important to realize that by applying bold to this text, you're actually applying an HTML tag called strong. We'll use this to our advantage, and now we'll style all tags within this list which are also tagged as strong. In order to do this, go ahead and click on the CSS tab in the Property Inspector. Go over to the color swatch and click on it, and choose the #030 dark green color at the very top. The new CSS rule window appears. Now in this case, you want to click on the menu, and instead of class or ID or tag, you want to choose compound. You'll see that Dreamweaver automatically creates a selector name, body ul li strong. Below there's actually a nice description as to what this really means. This selector name will apply your rule to all strong elements that are within any list elements, that are within any unordered list elements, that are within any body elements. In many ways, this is a very specific selector name. In fact, it doesn't have to be as specific. I'll go ahead and make it less specific by clicking the Less Specific button. Now it reads ul li strong. Go ahead and click OK. Deselect, and you can see that that text is now bold and green. Where this really pays off is when you bold more text within that list. So you want to select the word free in the 4th list item. Click on the HTML button in the Property Inspector, and then again click the bold button. Deselect, and you'll see that this text is now also green. It's important to realize that this style only applies to items within the list. So for example, if you go to the sentence below and select Event, and then select B for bold, this is just a standard bold, not green, because the word event is within a paragraph, not within a list. Contextual or compound selectors are very powerful. They allow you to apply formatting to tags when they appear in a specific combination. This opens up a whole world of styling possibilities.